Morning guys, March 26, 2026. We got a call from a lady. She got a problem with her toilet. She says that it sounds to me like maybe something inside the tank let loose, maybe a chain or something. Might need another flapper. I'm not sure what's there, but she's calling me in a panic. Her toilet, she can't flush her toilet. Be an older lady I've worked for in the past and retired. And hopefully I get some footage. I had a couple of good jobs yesterday, but I dropped my camera and the SIM card broke, so I wasn't able to retrieve the data. When I got home, I tried, downloading the data into my computer so I could edit it. Nothing. Lost a couple of real good jobs. Happens sometimes, you're doing these videos and you got your camera set up somewhere where you could, while you're doing the work, and you hit it and the flipping camera goes flying, hits the flipping ground and starts going woke on you. You try to recover the data. Sometimes you can't recover it. You got to reformat it, and if you do that, you lose all the footage on there. You lose every piece of footage on there, so it's a problem. I run into that a few times. I lost some really good jobs doing that would have made a great video, and just life happens, I guess. Fortunately. Well, maybe I get something this morning here with this job and post a video. I try to post videos when I can, if I got work and I can put a video together, I can get some footage. If it's something decent, I'll put together. I try to. Been doing it for a lot of years. What, 12 years, 13 years? Doing videos? Long time. No, I'm still trying to do it. I mean, if I can, I'll do it. Not like I'm getting lazy with it. Sometimes I don't have the footage. That's a special one. I might have something in the truck I could use on that.
Oh, it's special?
Well, see how it's on an angle? It's not square, or it's not in the front. It's on a 45.
Oh, okay.
It makes a difference.
Yeah.
All right, let me see what I can get. Handles in here. That one's on like a 45. It's a special handle. I have different handles in here. There we go. See how that one's on an angle? That one might work. American Standard. That one will go. There's different angles. Let's try that one. That one might work. Take a picture of that, because I'm going to need to get more of them. It's a 45. I think that's a Cub Cadet. That's the one. Sometimes you got to put a rubber washer in there too. When you get a rubber washer. If the hole is sloppy, nobody likes a sloppy hole. I'm gonna put Sometimes if it's a sloppy hole, I got some clear washers I could use. I bought them. You could use a like from a. Well, that's basically the same thing. See it? I bought these clear ones in case I need them. I bought more. I think I got more down here. Clear ones or something somewhere. That should work if I need it. You miss working, yeah?
A little bit. Didn't know our toilet was special.
What was special?
Well, you said
Oh yeah, I see how it's on an angle. It's
Yeah.
That one should work.
Black wood.
Hopefully. Ain't she a peach? Finally got rid of all that snow, huh? That was something,
Yeah,
wasn't
that's
it?
a good thing.
My God. This thing is left hand backwards thread. Broke off. Well. Just shut off and we'll make sure it's not gonna. This is hitting when we put the cover on, stopping it from going down. So we're gonna do something a little different here. Do something a little different. Try a different one. This will probably work. This will work. This is a backwards thread. They make one that's this is a 45, they make a 30-degree one, which I don't have. When I put the cover on, it was an issue. Try something different. Try this one on there.
Good morning. Thank you for coming right out.
Oh, good morning. How you doing today?
Well, everything's going wrong.
Well, we'll get it straightened out. I mean,
my glucose.
I just gotta make sure I get something that's gonna. The other one was working, but when I put the cover on it, the cover fits over the edge here, and when I flushed the handle, it would stay up. So I couldn't use that one. We'll try a different one. That one looks better. Kind of like marriage. Sometimes you gotta go through a couple of them to get something that's gonna work for you.
Did you have to go through a couple of minutes?
Just one.
Just one, yeah.
Better.
The one you have now, is it working fine?
Well, I got a new girlfriend. She seems to be good, but they're all good at first, right? They're all good at first.
Everyone's good at first.
Nobody's perfect, that's for sure.
You don't know.
I know I'm not.
So what is this going to cost me?
It's going to cost you what it's going to cost you. I mean, you're lucky I even got the parts.
Oh, I don't think I'm going to have to get a new toilet, right?
No. I'm doing what I can here for you.
Appreciate that.
trying not to break the bank. At least I got the parts in the truck. Some of these guys, they gotta go run and get the parts. It costs you money for that, and
What them trying to do?
you know, you might want to take them.
Everything's been breaking and going wrong.
Yeah.
I had to replace my glasses.
Yeah, it's like anything else.
$700.
What is it?
$700.
For what?
Glasses. Eyeglasses.
700. Wow.
I have all kinds of things. Bifocals, no line.
Let's see if it works now. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it works. So let it fill and we'll see if it flushes. Good thing I put the cover on and checked it, because you would have been calling me back in a panic.
I thought I was pretty panic-stricken this morning. What is that? Is that the
No, it's just the brand. The brand of it's a cola.
It's old.
No big deal. Alright, let's see if it flushes. Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
We're gonna get the cover. I put the cover over here so I don't break it.
Yeah, if we broke it, that's a new toilet.
No, we don't want to break the cover, because then you need a new toilet. It's not fetching up now. Before it was sticking.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Okay, it's not sticking.